motherfuckers that want to get up, right? All you got to do is send a message to one of them. Hey, meet me halfway up the hill on the back end. I got a loaf of bread for you. Here, take this loaf of bread and this little ground beef and this motherfucking soda pop. You want some more of this? I can bring you double next week. But you know that little nigga down there with the gray beard? Yeah, he got to go. What? Yeah, that's all I got to do? Yeah, get him out the way. He go back down the hill. I go back up the hill. Grab my binoculars and watch the show. I ain't gotta come down there. Niggas say, do what niggas say. Yeah, nigga, you won't. I have never seen the President of the United States, the General of the Army, go out there and fight the war. Nigga, we fight from the top of the mountain, nigga. Fuck
you never watch Michael Corleone do any kind of fucking fight.
I'm not coming over there. Of course I'm not coming over there. For what? Why would I have to come over there? What are you talking about? They're coming over there. Stick your ass over there. I'm gonna come. Like, bro, these youngsters trip me out. The nigga Memo. I said, come on, bro, you 118 pounds. I slap the shit and I kill. So what am I gonna be doing while you're trying to kill me?
Like what it look like a boss fighting his own battle.
First of all, this real shit. If I get up on you to slap you, I'm gonna take your pistol from you. I done took dozens of them. You little niggas don't even be ready. Y'all, it's different kind of strength. It's a different kind of handling. Nigga, we know how to forearm that neck, nigga, kick that motherfucking waistband and pull your drawers up your ass while be taking your pistol at the same time. We ain't gonna let you get to it, nigga. Cause once we get up on you, it's fucked up already. It's fucked up already. You niggas ain't got no skills in the squabble, no skills in that hand-to-hand shit. And then, you know, we ain't even got to fight with no pistol with you. Nigga, you put a fork in our hand and we going to work. Just what it is. So I don't be understanding where these dudes be getting from. You old niggas don't. Nigga, get 5 of your young niggas and get 5 of us old niggas and let's meet at the park.
They be mistaking elderly with old. That's what it is. Older.
No, this what they got fucked up though.
Some of y'all niggas got hands though, bro.
Y'all gotta live to see our age, man. Good luck.
And not only that, we done been through the worst of the worst, nigga.
That's what I just told them, Wack. We live to see y'all age already, nigga. Y'all gotta live to see ours. Good luck, nigga.
You niggas understand the psyche, right? You in prison. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gun towers. Many 14s. There's 10 signs that say no warning shots. And niggas say, hey, next unlock, strap up. We finna go outside and go to war against these niggas. So now we done told ourselves, outside of the 6 mini 14s who ain't giving up no warning shots, we gonna get homemade knives, locks and batteries in the sock, and all this shit, and we gonna be in the middle of a field where we know they gonna be shooting at us because it says no warning shots, and outside us fighting and sticking and stabbing and beating, we done mentally accepted the fact that y'all gonna shoot at us too, and this what we going to do. Man, you niggas better leave us the fuck alone, nigga. Oh, we already been fucked.
We ain't even allowed to get down until they shoot the mini 14 3-4 times. We gotta jump back up and go.
I be like, bro, I told my young homies, bro, you don't want to trigger this nigga, man. Leave that nigga alone, bro. Like an old nigga that got out the military and been to fucking, you know, deep in that shit, Navy SEAL, one of these Green Berets. Man, leave that man alone, bro. Oh, man, alright.
They gon' fuck around and find out.
One thing about an old nigga, they are not gonna let you do something to them, bro. It's not gonna happen. I promise you. It's not gonna happen. Niggas will hit you in the face with a handful of salt, fuck your life up. Tell niggas.
A handful of what? They don't even know about the spirit. Blow darts.
Bro, listen, I'm telling these young,
They did
Hey,
their
well,
own
this
thing.
nigga in the house.
Then going
None
to
of
the
these
studio,
kids ain't even got no 22s on it.
going to the studio, smoking them a fentanyl perk. But
Hey,
they
bro,
gangsta.
that's what I'm saying, bro. These niggas on that damn fentanyl. Hey, bro, it's just real shit. Like, I got some older homies, some older niggas, these niggas 60s and shit. These niggas got to be played with. They drive around here, they quiet, don't say nothing. Man, these niggas, but boy, this what they been doing all their life. One of my homies got, he just did 38 motherfucking years, bro. 38 years, he out, driving around here smiling. Man, you know what that motherfucker do to you, bro? Can you understand the psyche of a motherfucker? 38 years, 15 of the 38 in solitary confinement. The nigga went in on a level 4, parole from a level 4, meaning his points never dropped. Wasn't never no good behavior going on.
Damn.
And he driving around here, 58, 60, he smiling, and you like, hey, you old bitch ass nigga. Another thing, y'all fucking with these squares. A lot of us street dudes have raised our children to be the total opposite. Man, y'all never know what them niggas' daddies and uncles and brothers did. Y'all see?
Go for the eyebrows. Go for the eyebrows, man.
It's just real shit, bro. Like, and I be telling people, like, bro, like, it's cause you got that hammer, bro. That shit don't give you no special powers to just be disrespecting motherfuckers and acting crazy, bro.
Hell no. No, that's a fact, man. That's a fact.
Yeah, bro. Like, bro, if I got calls, I got certain people in New York, Florida, up in Chicago, certain areas, bro, that we've been knowing each other 2.5, 3 decades, bro. I get a call, Wack. Niggas did this to my daughter. Nigga, what? We on the way. You look up, you got 8 crazy old niggas in the garage plotting on you that you never seen before. Nigga, we come through that motherfucking park with a broom, nigga, like we sweeping. I might even come buy something from you. It's real shit.